Namaste. Daily Akhanda Yoga practice for mental health. In this practice, we are using the pranayama, breath work, to improve the mental health. Sitting into any easy, comfortable pose, hands to your knees, Gyan Mudra, touching index finger with your thumb, eyes closed. Please follow my instructions. Let your face relax, relaxing your shoulders, relaxing your neck, now let's feel your breathing. Pay attention to your breathing, breathing consciously. Breathing until your navel, little longer exhale, longer inhale with gentle smile. One more happier breath. Let's bring palms in Namaskar Mudra. We're going to chant 3 Om together. Inhale. Om. Inhale. Om. Inhale. Om. Hands to your knees in Jnana Mudra. Back straight, shoulders relax. Make yourself very stable with lifting crown, shoulders relax. Let's feel your breathing. Exhale little longer. Hold breath out. Now inhale, big inhale, slowly with awareness. Exhale longer. Holding breath out. Soften face, soften shoulders. Inhale happier and longer. Exhale. More empty. Hold breath out. Gentle smile. Soften shoulders, neck muscles, frontal part of your brain. Happy, proud inhale slowly. Exhale one more time. Longer exhale. Hold breath out. Happier inhale. Now soft breathing. Relaxing your frontal part of your brain. Soften back part of your brain. Relax middle part of your brain. Soften your facial muscles. Relax your neurological system. Relax, relax. Second step, let's together exhale longer. Hold breath out for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale longer. Hold breath in for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Empty, empty. Hold breath out for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale slowly and longer. Hold breath in for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Soften face, little more exhale. Hold breath out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Proud, happier inhale slowly. Hold breath in. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last round. Exhale. Little more empty. Hold breath out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Hold breath in. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Soften breathing. Just feel your third eye. Relax your forehead. Relax your frontal part of brain. Relax back part of your brain. Relaxing middle part of brain. Relax. 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 Relax your nose. Relax. Relax. Next step, Bhramari honeybee, which is so good for mental health. Inhale. Inhale slowly and longer. Concentrate third eye. Inhale happier. Inhale slowly and longer. Little stronger Bhramari. Inhale. Inhale. One more time. Inhale. Soft breathing. Relax your frontal part of brain. Relax back part of your brain. Relax center part of your brain. Relaxing your eyes, eyebrows. Continue softening your shoulders, holding gentle smile. Just feel I am getting better. Every moment. Beautiful. Let's bring palms in Namaskar Mudra. One Om, three Shanti. Inhale. Om. Shanti. 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 Namaste. Have a beautiful, happy day. You do this practice for 2-3 times a day and is very brief but very effective. and you want to more longer practice, more videos, you want to learn more about traditional yoga practice, please you can go to akhandayogaonline.com. That is so many different type of yoga practice for you. Namaste. Have a beautiful happy day. Hari Om Tat Sat. Namaste. You're very welcome to Akhanda Yoga YouTube channel. I'm very proud of you, your deepening yoga practice. Well-being is your birthright. I really like you to join free online platform. There is a beginner to advanced hundreds of yoga videos. Kundalini Yoga, Raj Yoga, Yoga Nidra, Pranayama, many videos are there. I'm really looking forward to practice with you there. Hari Om.